Is there anything related to Goa?
Yeah, today, I submitted a letter, a memorandum to the Honorable Minister for Education. A few days back, a whole lot of parents of students who have been studying in schools in the Goa board, they have protested against the schools reopening in April. Now, they have a lot of logic in that, because since pre-liberation, post-liberation, we have always had the schools academic year ending in the first week of April, because after that the summer sets in, there is extreme heat, and it is very difficult for the school students to withstand that heat. So those are the months, April and May, where the students, there are holidays, they go out in nature, they play. And with the onset of monsoon in June, the schools reopen. Now in Delhi, it is slightly different. Delhi and surrounding areas, the summer sets in, that extreme heat is in June and July. So that's why schools close in June and July. But the academic year starts in April. Now our government in Goa, or the educationists there in the government, blindly, without applying their mind, are following the dictates of the central government. They are following the same pattern of opening the schools in April, like how the schools are being done in Delhi. Now they should have applied their mind. In Delhi, why the schools are closed? Because of the heat in June and July. Now you can't apply that rule for Goa. Now I can put a counter argument for schools in Delhi. Why don't you close in April and May and start the schools in June? No, it will be wrong, because there is heat in June and July. Similarly, there is heat in Goa in April and May. तो ये इनको लॉजिक नहीं है, ये जो हमारे सरकार है गोवा में और उनके जो ऑफिसर्स हैं एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में. आई थिंक सो दैट एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट हैज बिकम डिफंक्ट. So I have submitted a memorandum on behalf of the parents and students and concerned citizens of Goa to the Honorable Minister. I have told him to review the decision of commencement of the academic year in April, May, and it should be in June.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.